Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up DocuWare for document management in investing, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up DocuWare for document management in investing, begin by visiting the DocuWare website. Create an account if you don't have one. Log in using your newly created or existing credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the admin module. Select the document management option from the dashboard. Click on Create New Library to set up a dedicated space for your investment documents. Name your library something relevant, such as Investment Documents. Configure permissions for users who will access this library. Set roles and rights according to your team's needs for security and accessibility. Next, go to File Types within the library settings. Add specific file types that your team will work with, such as PDFs, Word documents, and spreadsheets. Now, go to the Document Indexing section. Define the metadata fields that will help organize your documents. Common fields include document title, date, investment type, and relevant parties. After indexing, move to Workflow settings. Create workflows to automate processes, such as document review or approval. Set triggers and actions based on specific criteria in your investment documents. Once your workflows are ready, proceed to user management. Add users who need access to this document management system. Assign them to groups based on their role in the investing process. Now, return to your document library. Upload any existing investment documents that you have. Ensure each document includes the appropriate metadata as you upload. After uploading, test the search functionality. Ensure users can easily find documents using the defined metadata. Next, configure the integration options if you use other financial software. Connect DocuWare to your existing tools for smoother operations. Finally, train your team on how to use DocuWare effectively. Schedule a session to walk them through the features and best practices. Encourage feedback so you can make necessary adjustments. Regularly update and maintain your document management system for optimal performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.